If you're looking to get into creating digital products but don't know where to start, or think it'll cost too much, this video will cover everything that you need to know. Today, I'm going to share a secret method that you can use to find trending digital product ideas for free. You don't need fancy software or a big budget. All you need are tools like Google Trends, Pinterest, and social media, which are completely free to use. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find hot, in-demand topics that can help you launch your digital product successfully, even if you're a total beginner. So let's jump right in. Google Trends. Let's start with Google Trends. If you've never used it before, Google Trends is a tool that shows what people are searching for on Google in real time. It's completely free and gives you direct insight into search trends, which is incredibly useful when you're trying to figure out what products people want or what problems they're facing. First, head over to Google Trends and type in a broad topic related to something you're interested in. Let's say you're thinking about creating a digital product related to fitness or personal development. Type something like fitness routines or personal development tips, and pick the location, such as the United States. For the time range, you can pick the past 30 days. Google Trends will show you how interest in that topic has changed over time. The graph that pops up will show you if more or fewer people have been searching for that term over the past month. You can adjust the location and time range to get more of an idea of how trending your topic has been over time. Now, let's talk about how to read the results. If you see a steady increase in interest, that's a good sign. It means more people are searching for it, and you might want to focus your product around that. But if you see a sharp drop, it could mean that interest is fading, and it might not be the best topic to focus on right now. Take your time analyzing the trend line. Scroll down and you'll see a section called Related Queries. These are related terms that people are also searching for. You'll notice some queries are marked as rising or breakout, which means they're gaining momentum quickly. These are perfect for discovering new and emerging niches. For example, if you're researching personal development, you might come across related queries like personal development tips and long-term benefit of healthy eating. What's great about this is that it helps you refine your idea. Instead of creating just any personal development guide, you could create one specifically for long-term personal development tips. The more specific you get, the better you can target your audience, and Google Trends helps you find that focus. Once you've checked out the related queries, you can also use the comparison feature. This lets you compare the popularity of different search terms to see which one has more potential. For example, you could compare bodyweight workouts and yoga for strength. You'll see a side-by-side graph showing which one has more interest. This way, you can prioritize your product based on what's more in demand. Pinterest. Let's move on to the second tool, Pinterest. A lot of people think Pinterest is just for finding recipes or home decor ideas, but it's actually an incredible tool for discovering trending topics in your niche. Pinterest works like a visual search engine, and many of the trends here can be ahead of what you'll see on other platforms. To get started, just type a keyword related to your digital product idea into the Pinterest search bar. If you're thinking about creating a product in the wellness space, for example, type wellness ideas or self-care. As soon as you start typing, you'll notice auto-suggestions popping up below the search bar. These are things that people are currently searching for, so they give you a real-time look at what's popular. When you hit search, you'll see tons of pins related to your topic. Don't just scroll past them. Take a close look at the pins that are getting the most engagement. Pins with lots of saves, comments, and shares are usually a good indicator that the topic is hot. The more engagement a pin has, the more likely it is that the idea behind it is something people are excited about. Pay close attention to the related keywords that appear under the search bar. Pinterest automatically suggests related topics, and this is another great way to find sub-niches. If you're looking at wellness ideas, for example, you might see keywords like self-care routines and mental health. These can all be used to fine-tune your product idea even more. The beauty of Pinterest is that it's highly visual, which can be very helpful if you're creating a digital product that's more design-focused, like printables, planners, or templates. You can see what designs are trending, what color schemes are popular, and what types of layouts people are saving. Once you've gathered your ideas from Pinterest, take note of any recurring themes. For example, maybe you notice that a lot of people are searching for printable wellness trackers or morning routine planners. These could be product ideas that are both specific and in demand. Social media. Now, let's talk about the third free tool, social media. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and even Facebook groups are full of real-time conversations and trends. The key here is to follow relevant hashtags and accounts in your niche. Let's say you're interested in the productivity space. Start by searching hashtags like WA productivity hacks or time blocking on Instagram or TikTok. Watch what influencers are posting, what kinds of content are getting the most likes, comments, and shares, and which topics seem to be generating the most discussion. One of the best things about social media is that you can see engagement immediately. When you see a post with thousands of likes or comments, that's a strong sign that the topic is resonating with people. For example, if you see a TikTok video on morning productivity routines blowing up, that might give you an idea to create a morning routine planner or a guide on time management. Another powerful social media tool is Facebook groups. Join groups related to your niche, whether it's wellness, productivity, or any other digital product space. People in these groups often ask questions, share their challenges, and give feedback, which can give you invaluable insight into what kind of products would be most helpful for them. For example, if you notice a lot of people in a wellness group asking for simple self-care ideas for busy moms, that's a sign that creating a self-care planner for that specific audience could be a hit. So, those are 3 easy and free ways to come up with digital product ideas that aren't generic with tons of competition. I recommend that you do all 3 and check out competitors to really make sure that not only do you have a great idea, but that it's something that people want. You can create the most helpful, pretty digital products in the world, but if they're not what people are looking for, then you won't make any sales. Now that you know the secret to discovering hidden digital product niches, which of these tools are you going to try first? Are there any other tips that you would add? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel with your notifications turned on for more like this.